Good morning, everyone. Today we will be doing a belly buster flow. Take your both hands back, Hasta Uttanasana. Hold there for a few seconds. Go down in a Padastasana A. Try to touch your head on the knees. Padastasana B. Look forward. Go back in a Dandasana. Hold here for a few seconds. Lift your right hand up. Look at your right palm. Side plank. Again lift your left hand up. Hold there. Go in a again sideways stretch. Take your right leg in between your belly area forward. Stretch your left hand up. Now take your left leg sideways. Stretch towards your right hand and right hand up. Stretch your body. Now take your leg back. Again Dandasana for a few seconds. Go in a Chaturanga, Cobra, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Hold there for a few seconds. Stretch your back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to touch your head on the floor. Lift your right leg up. Stretch as up as possible. Head down. Hold there. Again lift your right leg up and left leg up. Hold there for a few seconds. Now slowly jump forward. Again go in a Padastasana A. Padastasana B. Inhale. Again bend back and namaskar. Thank you.